In this video, we are going to cover the changes at Streets of Willow that have been implemented recently. So if you haven't driven this track yet, here are the major changes. So we're going up the hill, we are going clockwise. This is into corner 2, and you can see there is a lot more runoff and there is a tire wall. This is the top of the hill, this is corner 2. This used to be all dirt here, now this is all runoff. But coming down to what I think is corner 3, now we've got a reconfiguration here too. Well, not a reconfiguration, but we do have this huge runoff area, and we got this tire wall that goes all the way up to the exit of the corner. Coming up to this little section here with this hard right, lots more runoff over here on the right hand side. Inside curbing is exactly the same as it was, but now we've got a tire wall and we have some runoff. Now you can see there is quite a bit of tire wall. But the main changes to the bowl are that there is a ton of runoff where there wasn't before. So the track surface is down there. They added quite a bit of dirt, quite a bit of height for this tire wall. So you can see there's a lot of runoff, or whatever you want to call it. Coming down to the exit here, we do have a wall. But again, if your line is good, this shouldn't be a problem because the wall is way over here. I found I was exiting kind of about here. And there's another interesting section down the back straight. There is a whole extra corner here. I haven't driven this, but you can see if you come in here, you can cut it over there, but then you're going to end up sort of in a bad exit path. The curbing is raised up a little bit, but it won't hurt your car if you end up over here for some reason. And there's the exit. Continuing down the back straight. This used to be a little dirt connector road. It's not dirt anymore. But if you come in, you've got a lot of runoff over here. If you're coming down the back straight, there's going to be a lot of braking into this zone. And then we've got the exit over here. And the exit will take you right into the chicane of death. Now we're coming up upon the chicane of death. And they've done some changes. So over here, there's a little bit more curbing over here. But on the right side of the chicane of death, there is significantly more curbing and runoff. I'll let you just drive right onto it here so you can see it's quite wide. And at the bottom of the chicane of death, there is a lot of runoff too, and a tire barrier. So there's your apex, which is exactly the way it was before. But if you blow your braking zone for some reason, or you happen to get sideways here, you've got quite a bit of distance before you get to the tire barrier. I'd say from the surface of the track, the main surface of the track, probably got a good 40, 50 feet. We're coming up this little right-hander here. We're gonna enter the skid pad. So this is about the same. There's the chicane of death. We're coming into what used to be the skid pad. So we have 2 tracks that you can take now. There's this big painted area here. There's a wider radius turn that goes all the way out there. And then here is the interior. So here's where I would exit before.